To invite our chief guest for the evening, Shri Nawab Malik ji, Honorable Minister, Skill Development, Employment and Entrepreneurship Department, Government of Maharashtra. We are fortunate to have such a dynamic and a visionary leader as a minister for our department. Under his guidance, the government has been able to foster the startup and the innovation ecosystem in Maharashtra. Over to you, Minister, sir.
Thank you, Nick. It's my pleasure to be a part of this medical hackathon organized by Maharashtra Innovation Society with partnership MIT Boston, and it is supported by ACT. This institution has been funded the hackathon, which is organized by us. Definitely, today many of the students are joining. They are very much eager that they are getting some kind of a challenge to resolve the challenge they are having before them by this hackathon. Definitely, this is medical hackathon, and we have given some challenges which we are facing in the state of Maharashtra, whether it is related to anemia, whether it is related to underweight child during the birth, whether it is related to MDR, tubercle losses. So these all challenges we are going to face before you. And definitely the new age people, the new younger generation, definitely they must have some new ideas with their mind. This more than 300 people will be selected for this. Definitely for this 5 problem we are facing, definitely they will pitch some kind of idea. And out of that, some of them will be selected by the institution. They will be supported by the institution. As Mr. Kushwaha and our secretary Shaunik ma'am has said, a lot of things has been done by the Innovation Society. We had started many of the programs. We have incubation centers. We are funding 17 incubation centers. We had started some sponsorship program for their patent testing and many kind of things we had started. In future also we are going to start some new our schemes for the new startups in the state of Maharashtra, especially those who are working. We must have a funding kind of a thing. What we observe from the interacting with the startup, some of the startup, they are very much possessive. They think this is my baby and I will grow with this my baby and it take more time to grow. So some kind of a mindset have to be set up with the startup, the inventor. Definitely they invent, they bring some ideas before the society, before us, or before any of the platform. But they require some kind of a funding. Any invention is very much helpful to the society until and unless it goes to public. Until and unless the invention goes to masses, cannot tell, we cannot say this is very much successful invention. So this kind of a mindset also to be set up with this all startup, those who are working, and we very much we will welcome the ideas which will be selected by this hackathon. Ramaswamy is there, G is there. He is head of the commissioner of the National Health Mission Program. So one thing I have to say, Ramaswamy ji, today we are pitching problem of MDR TB. Some of the people has invented something. They are always pitching their idea and we can adopt it and we have that kind of a solution. Also, we are pitching the same problem along with new inventor. Some new ideas can also be there to resolve the issue what we are facing in the state of Maharashtra, But in future, we have to have some kind of a policy that we are giving a lot of order, but we cannot give order directly to the startups. Only some kind of ideas we are pitching that 15 lakh or rupees order will be given to this startup will not resolve the issue, resolve their problem with giving 15 lakh rupees order. There should be some policy that without tender, we can give this. If anybody give solution to the problem, definitely we can give them order to support their invention, to order to support their invention to get benefited by the mass in the society. So definitely in future, Sonic Ma'am is there, Kushwaji is there, Mithun is there, entire INX team is there, and other guests, those who are participated in this hackathon, Mr. Sandeep Singhal and Uday Salunkeji. We must assure you that in future also we'll bring some more good policies for the startup in the state of Maharashtra. We will create more incubation center and we will support the startup in the state of Maharashtra. What is the responsibility of the department? Definitely we will go ahead along with new ideas. Today, I must congratulate everybody, those who are participating in the hackathon. Definitely 300 or 500 people are there. Shortlisting will be there. After that, definitely some of the people will be selected to resolve the issues pitched before you. But don't be nervous. It is not the today or 2-3 days. This is the only the opportunity you are having. Definitely this time, if you are not getting any opportunity, you have to be continue with your ideas. You have to be continue with your thinking abilities. You have to be very much positive that my idea, some more kind of new things should be add on into it. But one day definitely you will be succeed. Your idea will be succeed and you will be a successful innovator. Definitely my best wishes are with you, everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Minister Sir, for taking our time today. I'm sure all the innovators attending this forum found your remarks very, very encouraging. Before we proceed to the final vote of thanks leg of the ceremony, I would like to invite all dignitaries to switch on their video so that we can take a quick screenshot